when glazing factories produce EVA laminated glass, SGP laminated glass, PVB laminated glass, TPU laminated glass. They would need silicone tubes to install vacuuming system, or form a vacuum zone by using silicone tube, so seal the edges of prepared laminated glass. We offer several specifications of silicone tubes. The most popular specification is inner diameter 6 mm and outer diameter 12 mm, but we also produce the specification at 9 mm inner diameter and 17 mm outer diameter. Other specifications are available for customization. The silicone tubes are high temperature resistant and high tearing resistant. You may order the silicone tubes separately from the silicone vacuum bag. We have some clients who order 500 meters at a time. If you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours. Thanks very much for your watching and have a nice day.